What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious pasta with cream cheese chicken. This recipe I've learned from my sister-in-law Liz. Thank you. The ingredients I'm going to use were bought with the 20 euros. Some of the chicken is going to be used for this pasta and some of the chicken is going to be used for another recipe. What's important to know is that the 20 euros I used to buy my groceries does not include condiments, seasoning and herbs. So onion, garlic, salt, pepper, oregano, Maggi. These are things you don't buy every week or every month because they last so long. It's a quick and easy recipe to follow and it's really delicious. This is mainly the basics for those that are beginners in cooking. You can add whatever you want and put your own twist to it. Enjoy!